Okay, Dizzy. Take her up. What the hell?
Those bastards, they've killed the civvies.
So the government ship people out here? Nice of Prescott to keep us in the loop.
Yeah, the important folks who were worth saving. Well, we weren't.
Didn't save them though, did it?
Okay, let's move. Dizzy, when we're clear, get out of the cave and stand by. The sub might be our only way out. Dizzy, take her down.
We'll hook up again. See you later.
Welcome to Azura. You have been chosen for protection because of your outstanding
Protection?
contribution
I wonder
to
why
society.
Prescott didn't
Please
spend all his
report to
freaking time
reception.
here.
Anya, you're navigating. Where's the Maelstrom generator?
Up there. That's the train station. Let's follow the tunnel.
Okay, go!
Shit, they've really dug in.
Definitely setting up Grub HQ.
The next train will arrive in 5 minutes. Thank you for your patience.
Let's do this.
Damn it! The train's blocked the tunnel. Where the hell are we gonna go now?
Anya, is there a way around this?
Thank you for your patience.
Anya to Cole. Anya to Cole, over.
The radio's screwed until we shut down the maelstrom.
Well, I'll keep the channel open anyway.
Anya! Anya, is that you? This is Adam Phoenix. Can you hear me?
Professor! Yes, we hear you.
Thank God. Prescott found you. Can you see the security camera?
Yes.
Can you see us, Professor?
Anya? Oh, you've changed. Where's Marcus? Did Marcus make it?
Dad, I'm here. We've come to get you out.
It's good to see you again. Is Dom with you? Wait, how did you get that scar?
Later, Dad. Where are you?
I'm locked in my laboratory in the hotel tower. I need you to get me out so I can deploy the countermeasure. I'm running out of time, Marcus.
We'll deal with the grubs, Dad. Hang in there.
No, I mean the emulsion, the lambent organism. It's about to reach a critical stage in its life cycle. I've got to destroy it before it matures and wipes out all life on Sarah.
You lost me at life cycle.
It's not a fuel, Marcus. It's a living organism. It's turning everything lambent, including us.
It's a parasite.
So you can kill it.
Yes, that's it, exactly. Mira wants me to adapt the countermeasure to kill it without harming the locust. But there's no time left for that.
We need to shut down the maelstrom first to land reinforcements. Where do we go?
There's a train that'll take you straight to the facility.
Yeah, we've got a problem with that. The tunnel's blocked.
We need to bypass it.
There should be a maintenance tunnel alongside it. I can open the door for you from here. Get to the beach, and you'll be able to see the tower from there.
Dad, try opening it. We're in.
Marcus, you said reinforcements. Are you two on your own?
We've got Sam and Jace here, too. You'll meet them soon enough.
If there's just 4 of you, try to find a silverback. You'll need it. This place is heavily defended.
Yeah, we see it.
Must have been a nice beach once.
Damn, look at all this shit. They turned this place into Fort Drugs.
And check out that storm. Must be the maelstrom. Looks like they're building a new headquarters.
We better unbuild it before Cole shows up. Dad, are you still receiving?
I can hear you, Marcus.
It's empty!
Incoming!
Past the maelstrom.
They must have shut it down, just like we were gonna do.
Come on, run!
They really reinforced that door.
Yeah, even the silverback can't get in.
Oh, shit!
Dad, know any back doors? The access is blocked.
There's nothing on the schematics, Marcus.
Keep looking around the caves. Damn thing's right in front of us. There's gotta be a way in. These assholes.
Professor, we're back on course. The locust blasted through to the train tunnel.
because of us. They're running scared of the Lambent.
I know the feeling.
Come on, let's go! Follow the track!
You know what they say about the light at the end of the tunnel, right?
Please stay clear of the
Yeah, it's a bloody train coming the other way.
Everybody off the tracks!